Today, I'm going to teach you how to merge and center or unmerge cells, rows, or columns in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're creating headers, organizing data, or making your spreadsheets look more professional and easier to read. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Google Workspace account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on the Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. From here, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to merge, center, or unmerge cells, rows, or columns. This will open your Google Sheet in a new window, giving you access to all the editing tools you need. Now, let's start with merging cells horizontally. To merge a cell, simply click and drag to highlight the cells that you want to merge together. This could be 2 cells, 3 cells, or even an entire row of cells, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Once you've selected the cells, look at the top toolbar where you'll find the merge icon. It typically looks like 2 cells combining into one. Click on this merge icon and you'll see the selected cells combine into a single cell. To center the text within this newly merged cell, click the text alignment icon on the top toolbar and select Center from the options. This ensures your content sits perfectly in the middle of the merged cell, creating a clean, professional look. You can also merge cells vertically if that's what your spreadsheet layout requires. Simply highlight the cells vertically by clicking the first cell and dragging downward to select the cells you want to combine. Once they're highlighted, click the merge icon again just like before. The cells will merge vertically this time. And again, you can click the text alignment icon and select Center to position your text right in the middle of the merged cell. Now, if you ever need to unmerge cells that you've previously merged, the process is just as simple. Click on the merged cell that you want to separate back into individual cells. Then click the merge icon again from the top toolbar. This will unmerge the cell, returning it to its original separate cells. It's a quick toggle that makes it easy to experiment with different layouts without worrying about making permanent changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to merge and center cells both horizontally and vertically, as well as how to unmerge them whenever needed. These simple formatting tools can dramatically improve the appearance and readability of your Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.